Recently created a theme called the Shopify theme for HighLevel by just updating the CSS code. It looks like this. You can see that it has the signature indigo buttons like in Shopify. If you're familiar with it, go take a look and you'll see for yourself. Increase the button icons on the left side. Increase the font over here of these titles. Right? Of course, made the buttons indigo. And yeah, if you'd like to give this all a try, go ahead, click the link at the bottom of this video, and it'll take you to my Notion board. And in my Notion board, here's the CSS code that you could copy to your clipboard. And then, boom, you could go and copy it into your account, and then paste it in there. And make sure you click the button update. I also have videos on my Notion board just to give you guys some tips on how to set it up. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I plan on making more in the future. So yeah, take care. Peace.